Hey guys, this is DatAsianMathGuy. So this will be my first video actually on math. Um, so from this video onwards, there will be a couple goals in the upper left-hand corner of every video. So for this video specifically, we have two goals. The first goal is to welcome you guys to this channel. And if you guys haven't checked out the channel trailer yet, definitely do that because that'll give you guys some more context on this channel, and what this channel is actually doing. Our second goal is to jump straight into addition. Um, so yeah, let's do it. So let's start out with a pretty simple example. So let's say I have two eggs right here, and I have three eggs right here. So let's try to count how many eggs there are in total. So this is the first egg, this is the second egg, this is the third egg, this is the fourth egg, and this is the fifth egg. No surprise there. There are 5 eggs here. Now, let's try to do this in a smarter way. So notice there are 2 eggs over here, 1, 2, and there are 3 eggs right here, 1, 2, 3. So using mathematical symbols, we can represent this total number of eggs as 2 plus 3 equal to 5. And of course we have the exact same answer as before. And one more thing. So if we were to write this out horizontally, it'd look like this. So we have 2 over here, we'd have the 3 over here, and we'd have the addition sign right there, and a bar. So 2 plus 3, 5. So you might be wondering why I showed two different approaches to a super simple problem. So, sorry. So the reason is that this method is better than this one by one counting method for a very simple reason. So let's say, let's change color, okay. So let's say we have this 3 and 46 addition. Okay, so let's say I have 23 eggs over here, and I have 46 eggs over here. So wouldn't it be really tedious to draw out 23 eggs over here, and then 46 eggs over here, and then count them one by one to get the final answer? So using this horizontal method, we so in 2-column addition, well actually in any column addition, we always start with the rightmost column. So that means starting with this column right here, the 3 and the 6. So we add those up, 3 plus 6, and we get 9. So we get 9 from there. And we start the rightmost column, and we just basically move left 1 column. So we move on to this column, 2 plus 4, and we get 6 over here. So I just got this answer of 69 right here. The two numbers that I picked here were completely coincidental. I did not think that they would add to 69, but anyways, so this tells us that if we had 23 eggs over here and 46 eggs over here, without counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up to the total number of eggs, we could just add them like this using the horizontal way and get 69 eggs. So that was sort of easy, right? That's still easy. So let's move on to a slightly harder problem. Um, so, okay, let me create a problem. This will still be a, the following problem will still be a two-digit, or a two-column addition problem, but, it'll be slightly more complicated. So let's say I start with 2 again, I go with 5 over here, and so we have a 7 over here, and a 8 right here. Oh, man, there. Sorry for coughing so much, I'm actually sick right now, but anyways, so as I said, we start with the rightmost column, which is 5 plus 8, but that gives us 13, doesn't it? And we're clearly not going to be squishing 13 right here, because that's just not how it's done. So what's really done is you can write 13 equals 10 plus 3. So what does that mean? The units digit of this number is 3 here. And so we put the units digit right here, which is 3, and we perform what's known as a carry. So we take the tens digit over here and we stick it over here, or we carry it from here to there. And we still perform addition as normal. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, and then 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. But 10 has a units digit of 0 and a tens digit of 1. And by the way, what I'm calling here the units digit is just the rightmost digit. So this would be the units digit, and this would be the tens digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 7 is 10. So leave the 0 over here as the units digit, and let me draw that better. And we perform another carry, putting the 1 over here. And since there's just zeros over here, there's nothing over here. It's just 103. So that new concept of carrying might seem a little bit difficult to understand. However, let's just do another example to help clarify what I mean here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get rid of this. Yeah. Whoops. Okay. There. Okay. So let's make things even more complicated. So let's go with 9, 9, 9, 9. Yep. 9, 9, 9, 9. So that seems really hard. So how do we do this? Well, 9 plus 9 is just 18, right? And so we do the carry. So 18 can be thought of as 10 plus 8. So we just leave the 8 over here. We have a tens digit of 1, so we move the tens digit up to here. And we still perform everything normally. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 has a units digit of 9 and a tens digit of 1. So we leave the 9 and we move the 1 over here, or we carry it here. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. Again, leave the 9, carry 1, and we do the same thing again. So the total answer over here is 19, oh my god, 19,919. 998. So this might seem a little bit hard. Let's actually do one more example. So far, the number of digits on the bottom is always matched with the number of digits on the top. 2-digit number, 2-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number. So let's try to do something. So let's say we have 8, 7, 6, 5. Let's say we have a 3-digit number here. So the protocol is that if you have a, so, well, my way is that I always put the number with the more or the most digits on top and the least or the less on the bottom. So that sounds kind of confusing, but say you have a 3-digit number, 3, 4, 5. So you just stack them like this, like that. So all the, so 345 has a hundreds digit of 3, a tens digit of 4, and a units digit of 5. So, and 8765 has a units digit of 5, a tens digit of 6, a hundreds digit of 7, and a thousands digit of 8. So we want the units digit to match up with the units digit. So you have 5 plus 5, which is 10, and 10 has a units digit of 0, right? Whoops. So we have 0 here, carry the 1, since 1 is the tens digit, form the addition regularly. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, place the 11 over here, carry the 1, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, 11, you have the 1's digit of 1, and you have a 10's digit of 1, so you put it there, and 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, which gives you an answer of 9,110. So that's basically pretty much it for addition. In reality, you can add however many numbers, and no matter how big the numbers are, you can still get the task done. It's just that you do more writing when the numbers get larger and larger. A common mistake that students make over here is that they match up the digits with the wrong, or they slot the digits into the wrong places. If you just think to yourself that you need to match up the units digit with the units digit, the tens digit with the tens digit, and hundreds digit with the hundred digit, and a thousand digit with the thousand digit, then you'll be fine. And by the way, the thousand digit over here is 0. So if this number doesn't have one of these digits, you can add a 0 there. So yeah, that pretty much sums up addition pretty well. I hope I clarified some things that you guys might have been stuck on. And in the next video, I'll be focusing on subtraction, which is harder than addition. And then we'll be taking a look at multiplication and then eventually division. And then from there, really we'll just basically break into the world of mathematics and combining all these different operations to actually start solving more complicated problems. So until then, see you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, whatever it is that you guys do, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.